If you want to start earning this week, freelancing is your fastest route. Think about what skill you already have. Writing, editing, social media, admin work, video subtitles, whatever it is. You don't need a degree. You just need a skill someone is too busy to do themselves. Here's how to start. Skip Fiverr. If you're just starting, competition is brutal. Go to LinkedIn. Search for small business owners in your city or niche. Message them. Hey, I help local businesses grow on Instagram. Want me to run your content for 7 days for free? Boom. Foot in the door. That's how I landed 5 clients in 3 months. 1,000 a month from skills I already had. Imagine this. It's 2 months from now. You've got 3 clients paying you $200 a month. You're working from your bedroom, sipping chai, no boss, no stress. And it all started with free tools, a skill and courage to message one person. And freelancing is just one way. Let's dive into 4 more models so you can build your dream business. Model 1, product-based business. This means selling digital products, one-time creation, multiple sales. Could be templates, guides, planners, Notion setups, website themes, digital art, the list goes on. You're not limited. First, pick a pain point for your product. What problem will it solve? Then create a buyer persona. Who exactly are you making this for? Once you've got those 2, design your product in Canva and set it up for sale on Gumroad. It's a super easy combo. Canva lets you create a beautiful product, and Gumroad handles the checkout process so you do not have to build a website or worry about payment security. Plus, Gumroad takes a small percentage per sale, and the rest is all yours. With this model, your time is the main investment. Creating once means selling always. It's like having a 9-to-5 job, but with infinite income potential. The key is to automate as much as possible. Number 2, affiliate marketing. This means earning a commission by promoting tools or products you already use and love. Same goes for fitness gear, nutrition powders, or meal kits. But only promote what you believe in. That way you can create authentic content without confusing your audience. Key to success here is picking the right niche and target audience. But hey, who wouldn't want to earn commissions by sharing stuff they love? Number 3, UGC, user-generated content. This is where brands pay you to create content featuring their products. Even small creators with a few thousand followers can earn $500 plus per post. Brands are always looking for fresh content and real people like you to promote their products. Platforms like Creator, or Collabster connect brands with influencers. But you can also do direct outreach to build relationships and secure paid posts. The more engaging and authentic your content is, the higher the chances of getting paid gigs. So show off your creativity and watch the checks clear. Now let's talk organic growth platforms. I'm talking Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. No ad spend needed. Just gotta be consistent and bring the value. If you're already glued to these apps, why not monetize your screen time? Create valuable content for your target audience and watch your follower count and income soar. Let me share a quick case study. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom of 2, was great at organizing her home. She created checklists and templates to manage her household efficiently. After watching one of my videos, she decided to create a few home organization checklists in Canva, set them up for sale on Gumroad, and built an Instagram community by sharing valuable organization tips. In the first month, she made around $800. By the 3rd month, her income tripled, reaching around $3,000 per month. She even started promoting a home organization planner through an affiliate link, earning over $1,000 in affiliate income. Today, she's still hustling, and her hard work is paying off big time. So what's your plan of action? Pick one model, freelance or product. Build a simple portfolio or digital product. Use free tools like Canva, Notion, Gumroad, and Google Sites. Start small and keep improving along the way. The tools are free. The platforms are ready. The opportunities are endless. You don't need to wait. You can start today. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more business tips. Drop a comment below telling me what type of business you're going to start. I read every comment and love hearing about your progress. Your business journey starts now. Go build something amazing.